Hey guys, got the bed on last night in the middle of a snowstorm, but we did get it on. It's not bolted on yet, but I started noticing there's a couple problems this morning when I started looking at things, and I wanted to show you on the fuel tank. So I'll update this on my YouTube, but the fuel tank, when you set the bed on, the bed support sits on top of the sender. Let me kind of show you guys. So if you kind of look up in there, you can kind of see that rail is sitting on top of the sender. See if we can zoom in a little bit, but you can see right there the nub is. Hopefully it didn't break that sender, and I didn't even notice that. But it's just right on the edge, and so what I need to do is lift this bed back off and fix that. So maybe I can just lift it up enough where we can clear it, but yeah, we'll see what happens. So kind of sucks. That is one new thing I didn't realize. So we'll see what we can do. I just kind of wanted to show you guys before I did it, and we'll see what happens. So, well guys, I ended up lifting this up with some jacks, and I just notched it right there. Hopefully it doesn't take a lot of the structure out of it, but we'll I think we'll be fine. I could come back and weld it if I really need to, but I'm gonna see if this fits and set it down. We'll see how she looks. Well, hey guys, so we got the bed set back down. Everything seems to be fitting good. There's enough space back there. You can kind of see I did put a little red heat shrink with adhesion on it. It's got glue mixed into it just over the top of that sender. It's not close, but I just wanted to make sure if the bed moves around, even though it's bolted to the frame, they kind of move, but not that much. I'm sure we're not gonna have a problem, but did get that on, so super stoked. Also, I got the fuel filler hoses hooked up. These are the old ones. I could not find the new ones. I bought them, and they're somewhere around here. They're hiding from me, but I'll get those on at a later date. Super excited. I also got the gas door on, so turned out good. And I just got to go back and bolt the bed down. I'm going to get that done tomorrow. I just kind of wanted to show you where my progress was, and say thank you guys, and I appreciate it. And for you that are new to this, hit subscribe and check out more with the truck. And tomorrow you'll see what bumper I picked. Should be exciting. We'll get the tailgate on and get the rest of the bed bolted down. So cool guys, thank you.